G'day everyone, Gareth here from Fraser Coast Food Forest. Just want to do a starfruit update. In fact, before we start with the starfruit that's got fruit on it, I'll take you over to the other one which hasn't produced any fruit yet. Slowly getting there, that's it right here. Starts to go a little bit yellow when it gets a little bit colder. It has actually flowered, but just hasn't held on to any fruit yet. It was here when it was just these little branches here that produced some flowers, but there's no evidence of flowers yet. It's a bit more shade. It doesn't really get any sun until sort of afternoonish, and then in the summer it'll get a little bit more because then it sets over here, so it will get all this sun here, where the other one gets a little bit more. It's on the other side of this tree here. I just want to show you the amount of fruit we get on a starfruit. Like the branches I think are even starting to struggle. It's starting to drop just heaps. I've actually knocked a heap off just to lighten it up a bit, but look at this. Have a look. You've got clusters and clusters of starfruit. Look at that. Look at this. All the way down here, look. We got, here's some more branches here struggling to hold on, look. Here's another one here. We got some almost ripe ones up here. This one here, close to being ripe. I'll pick it off. It's only a very small one. That's sort of, you know, they do vary in sizes. I've had some really big ones here. Look at this cluster here, look at that. That's a beautiful one there. That's, if you compare the size difference there, look at that. It's a huge cluster. These ones here are the best ones, the ones that hang directly down, not touching anything. If they touch anything, things nest in them. They scrape along the branches here and get damaged. Ants get into them. This one's got ants in it. But still, very tasty, very refreshing. We'll have a look around here. Just see them all through there. There's a heap of ripe ones up there. Bit of cold damage up the top there. And this branch is almost touching the ground because of the weight. Unbelievable. There's not really any flowers on here. It's sort of, because we're in the mid, I mean I do say this flowers all year round, but you know, it won't be long and this will have flowers on it again. But it's almost got fruit on it all year round now, this one. It's about 4 years old, I think, roughly. Not even 4 years old yet. And it's been pruned heavily too. And yesterday I actually found a python climbing through these golden canes here. Sonny heard it. So I went and had a look, and yep, sure enough, middle of winter there's a python. Which is quite amazing considering it's middle of winter and the nighttime temperatures have been getting down to about 6. But the daytime temperatures, it's 25 today. It's a bit windy, but as you can see, this is winter in the subtropics. Beautiful, beautiful. And it's kind of like, it's actually like spring, to be honest. Spring anywhere else is what winter is here, especially down south, like Melbourne. This would be equivalent to a late spring, early summer even, 25 degrees. And the bonus of living in the subtropics is there's always something flowering. There's always fruit hanging off trees. If we have a look at the passion fruit, this is a sweet granadilla. There's only 2 on here, but There's fruit. Bananas. We've got these red dacas here. They're going to be ready very soon. They've been up there for a very long time. They're starting to lose that red colour. And they're all very, very swollen. But they're very close. Nothing's eating them yet. None of them have split open yet. But they're going to be close. Anyway, that's the starfruit update. Highly recommend buying starfruit if you can grow them. You can grow them down south. They will take a long time. You will need to protect them for a few years, and they will get damaged from the cold. You may even lose the tops of the trees. But look after them, feed them, and if they're nice and strong, they'll handle that winter. I did grow one of these down in Melbourne, but I had that for a few years and it hardly grew at all, but it survived. So yeah, super happy with that. Super happy. Alright, that's it. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, bye.